Hey guys, this is my DIY fountain. As you can see, it's filled with water, there are stones, and there's a duplicate of this tree. As you can see, when I switch on, it works. Now this is not the best part. The magic part is when I switch off all the lights. It's not that clear, but you can see the blue fountain. Here's the better view of the fountain. You can see that there's a light and a motor under the stones. There's a yellow wire for the light and the black wire for the motor. And it connects to one wire, which is this adapter for outline.